the appetizer for tomorrow, we got the hobby version of Origins. This is first up the line. 2-box divisional. Appreciate everybody once again joining. Let's see if we can finish up this final round with a banger. Hit us a top quarterback. Let's find it. Let's find it. Come on. All right, start off with a Juju Smith-Schuster. That is for the AFC North. Goes to Noel. And then a Austin Eckler. Chargers. That is for the AFC West. Goes to Mel. First hit is a Josh Allen. And that is Jaguars. 31/49 jersey. Goes to the AFC South. That is for Larry M. And we got a quarterback. Rookie autograph, James Morgan. Numbered 15/17. That is for the AFC East. That is going to DPZ. Followed by a Chase Claypool. AFC North. Rookie patch autograph. Goes to Noel. Steelers. To 175, Stephon Diggs. For the AFC East. DPZ. And Michael Thomas. Numbered 5/17. NFC South. Going to DPZ. All right, well, we got a quarterback. We want one of the first rounders, though. Who knows, though? Maybe James Morgan turns out to be the next Tom Brady. You just never know. Come on. Come on. All right. Juju Smith-Schuster once again for the AFC North. And wow. Followed by Austin Eckler. Back-to-back boxes, same base. All right, then we have a 2-color patch of Devin Duvernay. That is Ravens. I believe he had a kickoff return for a touchdown, or punt return for a touchdown. Even though they got shellacked. All right, then we have Anthony McFarland Jr. Another hit for the AFC North. That is 2/17. Steelers. And that's a nice looking piece right there. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie patch autograph for the AFC West. That one goes to Mel. Kansas City Chiefs, the champs. Then we have an Aaron Donald to 299 for the NFC West. Goes to Wayne. And we'll finish up with, it's so weird seeing him in a Colts uniform, Phillip Rivers, numbered 14/17 for the AFC South. That one goes to Larry M. All right, guys. That will do it for First Off the Line Origins. Appreciate it. I will get it out ASAP.